Hi guys. Okay, just thought I'd do a quick video to say well done to everybody that's smashing the free 14-day hit. You're absolutely doing incredible. Keep going, keep smashing it. The most important thing is to make sure you're eating between 5 to 6 more meals a day, drinking at least 3 litres of water a day, and just keep being consistent. Keep going, okay? Absolutely excited about the launch that we did last night, which is for the V120. Just thought I'd let you know what that is, what we've done. I've been working really hard along with my mentor, and we put together an incredible program which is the duration of 120 days. Now what I wanted to do, I wanted to get the audience, to get you into working out and eating better, which a lot of you have done already. From doing this, it actually enabled me to find out exactly what areas that you guys need help with. And it wasn't any surprise what we found out, that, you know, the majority of people, I think it was at least 85% of the people that were in the group, they all needed help with nutrition. So what we've done, we've put something together for you for free, because this is what, you know, we want to make sure that we help you guys as much as we can. We're here to advise you and to help you and support you into a new healthier lifestyle that isn't just a quick fix, that isn't just, you know, for 14 days. So what I wanted to do is just to show you with determination and commitment, if you can commit for 14 days, then you're going to be able to commit for the rest of your life. I mean, you don't have to go crazy and be like on a strict diet, because I've never been on a diet in my life. You know, I do eat very well. I do have the odd treat now and again. Maybe I need to post when I do have a bit of chocolate, but I am more healthier than not. But it's the health, you know, it's the 80-20 rule. So please do download the link that I've shared. At the end of the day, it's something you're getting for nothing, and it's worth investing and looking at. Print it, download it, have a look. We've got our free cookbook being launched tonight, and as soon as it's available, I will post it. But that's all you've got to do, really. It's just read the plan and get involved and be a part of the V120 movement. You can do the V120, you know, side by the 14-day hit as well. Now with the 14-day hit, if you want to do it again and do a whole month, then you can. So you can repeat week 1 and 2 to give you a whole full month, 4 weeks of workout. So at least then you're going to get better results. It's sustainable, and obviously what happens next after that, then I'll explain where you can go with it. But really hope that you're enjoying it. I will be honest with you, it hasn't been easy. There are times when I can't upload a video. People that know me behind the scenes know it's quite stressful. Obviously some people are saying, oh, just upload it without the video, just put the, you know, just put the exercises. But for me, I've made a promise to myself that I was going to do 14 videos, well, you know, as many videos as it should be for the workouts, for the program, and then go from there. So we've got 3 more videos that are going to be uploaded. You're already into week 2, so well done for getting to week 2. We've got new people on the challenge. You can start the challenge anytime. So just join us, join our movement, get onto the V120, and then we'll just go from there. It's really important that you eat. If you're training, you should be eating at least 18 portions of fruit and veg, okay? I know it's really hard to get it in there, so my advice to you is to get a NutriBullet and put in a NutriBullet loads of fruit and loads of spinach, broccoli. Try and get some vegetables in there, some carrots. But the main superfood you should be eating is berries, organic, obviously, because at least if you buy it organic, it's got no pesticides on it. Spinach. Try and go to your homegrown local farmers and get organic fruit and veg, because at least then it hasn't got any chemicals on it, where you're getting pure fruit and veg. Unless you grow it in your garden, then grab them from your garden and just get that fruit and veg in you. And loads of protein, good carbs, and do not cut out food groups, please. This is not a diet. You're eating at least 5 to 6 more meals a day, and you're looking after yourself, and just enjoy it. So get on the V120, do the 14-day challenge, and if you want to do it again for the next 2 weeks, give it a go. Take care, guys.